Hello, my friends. Well, today appears to be a massive, very powerful correction. Now, don't tell me, but I told you so, basically. I've been telling you for like literally the first day of the month. I don't know what you guys want. This is just incredible accuracy that no one else has, and no one else brings, and no one else can produce. I just had a guy on my ex account, Twitter, telling me that there's no way that I could predict this and that I was just using some sort of tricks. I think he probably meant that I was some kind of altering or editing the pictures, my screenshots. And all I had to do is say like, listen man, I mean, if you don't believe me, literally just go to the first post of the month, go to the first picture, go to the first page, click on it, and watch the chart. That's all you have to do. And I don't know if he did that, but regardless, I mean, it's just amazing that some people really think that I am editing my screenshots, my charts, right after the day develops, so I can draw whatever circles that I want, like trying to fake it, guys. I mean, this is just ridiculous, guys. And it's painful to me in the sense that people who really ignore my predictions, people who don't pay attention to my charts, that just bring me complete sadness, guys. Because this information is literally more valuable than gold. And you need to start appreciating it. You need to start paying attention to what I bring to the table, guys. Look at the massive amounts of money that people could have saved just by reading my prediction on these 2 days alone. You're seeing today is the final day of the month. This is the October 31. Look at this last red circle, guys. It says 30 or 31. Basically, alternative days. And I told you that means that we could see corrections in both of these 2 days. Possibly both, or just one of them, or basically any kind of combination regarding these 2 days for a correction. And we got basically kind of a yellow day yesterday, because even though after trading the price didn't begin much lower comparing to yesterday's that day's position 29, the day itself kind of behaved like a range. You can see right here. But today it was a very, very powerful correction, and I was seeing this coming like weeks ago, guys. This pattern right here, it has never failed. It has never failed. Not even once. Never. Every time it appears, it indicates very, very powerful corrections near the end of the month. And this is the most powerful correction, with the exception of whatever happened on October 15. It's just a mystery what happened on that day, because that was some really very powerful volatility downtrending, guys. But besides that day, it's basically the worst correction for this month. And I was preparing for this for weeks ago, guys. I knew this chart was going up, up, and up, because that's what I told you in the first video of my prediction. I told you that I did not see a single chance of a red month for October regarding NVIDIA and my other chart for the index. So I knew this was going to be a green month, an uptrend month. But I also knew that the final day or the final days of the month were going to be very, very powerful corrections. And I have many people in my Twitter feed just freaking out, as always. I mean, because they're like, I don't know, they have no idea how the world really works. They have no idea, especially that they don't even know about my predictions. Because if they knew about it, they will be just as relaxed and calm as possible, because There's no way you can actually lose money when you can see the future like I do, like I can, and like I do bring to the table, guys. Remember, this information, I bring it for free to you all, just at the very least, so you can be interested, so you can follow my work. I do have some people lining up, trying to get me to open some subscription style kind of system, and I just want as many people to take advantage of this information before I do that. Okay, guys, so basically this concludes the NVIDIA chart, the NVIDIA prediction. I will, of course, do another one consecutive for the next month of November. As always, I have been doing NVIDIA consecutively for like 4 months in a row, something like that, probably more, because one of the very first videos of my channel was actually covering NVIDIA prediction. So yeah, there's that. So pay attention to this, guys. This is no joke at all. You need to be very, very interested about this at the very least, because like I was saying, I have some people asking, begging me actually, telling me to open private subscriptions, private charts, private predictions, and I don't even have 100 subscribers yet. I mean, one of my channels just got over 100 subscribers, but it's just one. On this channel, it's not even close. So imagine that, guys. You need to really appreciate, and you need to really take advantage of this information that I bring to the table, because like I was saying, knowing this information, knowing the future regarding finances, can save us a lot of money. So anyways, that's how NVIDIA closes the month. Just for kind of, maybe this is not really a prediction, guys, but considering this red circle right here at the end of the chart, that could also mean that the first days of November could be kind of reddish as well, kind of downtrendy. We'll have to see, because I have not made the prediction for November just yet. I will start doing that tomorrow, I think, or yeah, probably tomorrow. So now let's look over at the index chart, the SP500 index. This is the other prediction that I have for you guys. So again, this is the final day of the month. You can see very powerful correction right here on the last day. Now the index was actually downtrending ever since October 30. So both of these days were downtrends, very volatile downtrends, actually, both of them. So that really coincides with this yellow circle. There was a slight chance for the SP500 index only that the final days could not be as bad as NVIDIA, because this is a yellow circle and NVIDIA has a red circle. So there was this small chance, but also take into account that yellow circles mean either volatility or range. And this time, these 2 days were extremely volatile, especially the last one, but also yesterday. Very volatile days. Unfortunately, they were trending downwards. So there's that. You can even see highlighted on the RSI how bad it is, especially today. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, this prediction for the index, I think I will be doing maybe gold next time together with NVIDIA, but you guys always have the opportunity to participate, kind of make this kind of a dynamic channel, right? An interactive channel where you can participate and choose whatever stock, whatever indicator or forex pair that you want me to cover for the next month. Like I was saying, I already have NVIDIA. This is almost guaranteed that I will be making NVIDIA again. So if you want to see another one, like for example gold or oil or silver or not cryptocurrencies, you guys know that I have a separate channel, a specific channel for cryptocurrencies. So not cryptocurrencies on the channel. If you want to see crypto, just go over to my crypto channel. But you can also choose Forex. I mean, like I was saying, I can basically predict any kind of stock, any kind of Forex pair, indicator, whatever, you name it. I have predictions for it. So that's basically all that I wanted to say, guys. This is just obvious. I mean, this just speaks for itself, guys. I don't even have to analyze and go into more detail. If you want previous information, just go to the previous videos. But the key takeaway that I want you guys to take from, in this video at least, is that you never ignore my predictions, guys. You never ignore my predictions. Look at this accuracy. Just look at it. Anyways, that's all. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you later. Take care.